The gold leaf experiment with light, where you charge up two gold leaves with electrons and they separate, and then you can shine certain wavelengths of light at the plate that's attached to it, and I think it's blue that'll bleed off the electrons, but then the other lights won't. But it's the thing is light is an energy field. People think it's particles, but really it's an energy field. You can compare it to similar to magnetic fields. It's conductive. Some of it's more conductive than others. So it depends on what kind of reaction you're trying to create, or what type of, like, for example, if you have a wire that isn't very conductive and you stick it on that plate to try to pull those electrons out from between them leaves, it may not cause any reaction. It's not conductive enough, it's not grounded enough, it doesn't conduce the electrons back into your environment because it's not conductive enough. But a light field that's the right type of conducting energy will take those electrons with it, like a magnetic field that's on the same frequency or is more attractive to that. That's what it's doing. It's an energy field that's more conducive to the electrons that you got on them leaves. It's more conductive than the other ones, so it's going to take them with it. It's going to suck them out. You know, energy can act like matter, but that doesn't mean it is matter. And you can direct energy, like you can direct matter like a bullet, but that doesn't mean it's matter. And energy can also act like matter because it can act in conducive states. It can be cohesive, like matter at its foundation is really energy. So you can have energy that can be cohesively enough to act like matter, but you can't understand why the math don't work in some situations because really it's energy. It's energy, it's magnetic field, it's something you don't understand, but it's really just a type of energy. And so therefore it can be conductive. And you're going to need the right wavelength for more conductance when trying to be conductive with certain things, like electrons you're trying to pull off a plate for two leaves that are holding electrons between them. Or, you got positive and negative, but really you're just grounding it out with a certain wavelength of light that's more conductive.